Hey guys, Bubble Pop Kids here. No squishy chopping right now. I got my magical microwave. That's here on the testing table. I have my little magical microwave. Haven't seen this in a while. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different colors of fart putty.
Fart putty, so farty, so squishy, so colorful. Loves it.
Take a look at the 5 colors of the fart putty. We get some orange, purple, some green, pink, and some pretty yellow. Alrighty, little bubble teenies, I don't know too much about this putty, but I know that microwave is magical. What do you guys say we pop it in and see what we get? Let's do it.
Oh yeah, let's turn this fart putty into something better, something magical.
Alright everybody, we are starting, and since St. Patty's Day is coming up in about a week, I got some green. Take a look. Woo! Ooh, squishy.
Bubble, it's not just super squishy, it's like super farty. Get it? Fart putty? Yeah, do it again. Ew.
No time to waste. I do love this squishy green putty. So cool. It's cold and stretchy, but we gotta pop it in. Get our surprise. Oh yeah, we got something in here. Ooh, it's shiny. What do we have? Yowie! I don't think this baby has lost its touch. Our microwave worked. It turned that green slimy wammy into a Yowie surprise egg. Oh, I love these. And what is this one? Truly! Got a troll's egg.
Got a troll's egg with Guy Diamond in the middle, and a twin, and like, who is that?
You guys know I love my squishies, but I love my surprises. Oh, this is so cute. And I've never seen one of these. It's a Trolls surprise egg with some candy. Let's open this one first.
Troll surprise egg, loves it. And it's green, just like the slime. That's amazing. The Yowie's green too. Is that a coincidence or like what? Ooh, nice.
What we got here? Ooh, we got a lot of little goodies. So it was a green egg inside of there. Ooh, it's like a puffy sticker. Look at that. I always forget this guy's name. I always forget. Seen the movie 100 times. It's so cool. It's almost like a 3D.
We also got a puppy Trolls tattoo bubble. It says hug. It's beautiful.
And what do you know? We get 2 jelly beans. That's kind of strange. Normally you get a little bag, but we got an orange and a white one. Let me give it a taste.
The orange was delish. Save this one for later. Can't have too many sweets. And we got tons of little Trolls cards. Or like, memory game. So pretty.
So we got the little jelly beans, a sticker. We got this little memory game here. These are so cute. You get 2 of each picture and flip them over and guess where they are. Oh, I used to love playing this. We got that little glowworm. Got diamond. And it's the biggie.
Open the Yowie bubble, the Yowie crag. Open it.
This guy looks bad. I don't know what's going on with him. Ooh, it's chocolate. Yummy.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to open it, but like whatevs. Ew, looks like Winnie the Pooh. So cute.
Actually, this is the first time I think I've opened one of these Yowies. Look at this little guy. He's like a little blue guy. I think his name is Nap. N-A-P. He's heavy.
His name is Nap? Like wants to take a nap? What is that? But he's so cute. So heavy. He's got a big belly.
Love that little surprise, that little blue guy. Let me take a taste of the chocolate. Lots of luck with that green putty. Let's try out the purple.
The purple fart putty! Check it out! Ooh. Slimy. Yeah.
Moving on to the purple. Ooh, this is pretty. It's not exactly the color of the container. It's like a lavender. I like it. It's freezing cold.
Let's make a fart bubble. Let's make the fart putty fart. Ew. Somebody tooted. Stinky.
Right, here we go. You know the drill. We gotta pop this in here. I love this, but I want some surprises. Let's do it.
If you say so, Bubble. I got your squishy putty right here. Let's pop it into the micro. That's good. Set it and forget it.
Let me hit my little chicken bone button and stop this. What is this? That Pokemon? What's going on? Wow, our purple putty turned into a purple poop ball. Oh yeah.
Are you serious, Bubble? A purple Pokemon poke ball with like tons of characters? I can't really read it, but it's cool. It's super cool. So much better than the putty. Open it.
Ooh, this is kind of exciting. I've never seen one of these. There's something in there. Hope we get Pikachu. Let's see.
Who would have thought purple fart putty could turn into like poke ball? It's amazing. Let's see. Ooh, so tiny.
Can you, Bubble?
Oh, who is this tiny little guy? What is this thing? It's got a little suction cup. So cute. He looks a little mad. He looks a little mad at me, but he's got those crazy eyes. It's like a little squishy pop.
Oh yeah, it is. Pop, pop, pop. I don't think you like that, Bubble. You super mad? Yeah.
I got my little list here that came inside of the poke ball. I can't really read it, but I see our little guy right here. So cute. He's like a little angry panda bear.
It's like a little angry panda bear with a little green thing. He's like eating some kind of spinach. So funny. So mad.
I guess there's a bunch of other little guys. Ooh, I wanted the Pikachu. We didn't get him. Ooh, look at that little bunny. Gotta get more of these. Nice. And normally the ball is red, but I like the purple. It's so pretty. Likes that.
Bubble, I liked it too. Let's move along. So let's put this little angry panda or whatever back in his little poke ball and like seal him. He's gonna be so mad. Yeah. Ooh, yellow. Yellow.
Got a Bubble Teens. Next for our putty up, we got some electric neon yellow. Ooh. Hope we get something good.
Better get something good. This is like my favorite color. Ooh, it's bubbling. It's gotta be good. It's like good luck. It's like mustard. Yeah.
Do it again. Oh yeah.
Enough squishing and squashing this little yellow fodder putty. Put it in the microwave. See what we get.
Okay, let's do it. There you go. Looks like butter.
Gotta check. Ooh, I see some eggs. What is that?
What is that, Bubble? You don't know how good this is? So much better than a fart putty. It is a Toy Story chocolate surprise. And what else did we get? It's yellow, like the putty. Hot Wheels. Alright.
What's going on? Every time I put a putty in there, we get the same color surprise. Ooh, so the yellow fart putty gave us a yellow Hot Wheels surprise egg. Ooh, I've never seen one of these. And Toy Story chocolate surprise. Open this one.
Bubble, I love Toy Story so much, like, you don't even know? Ew, but the chocolate looks weird. Pop it. There's our capsule.
So we chopped off the chocolate. Let's see who we're gonna get. I hope we get Woody.
Bubble, we didn't get Woody. We didn't even get Buzz. We didn't get a good guy. We got the bad guy. Lotso. Lotso. He's so cute, but like, he's evil.
Oh boy, what do you guys know? This is so cute though. I've never seen one like this. We got Lotso Bear. He's not the nicest one, but he's got a little stand. Shares Toy Story. I like it.
So, here's who we could've got. We could've got like all of these characters, even little Piggy, even the little alien, Buzz Lightyear, Andy, but we got Lotso. Why did we get him? I don't know. Ask the microwave.
Can you, Bubble? Ha ha ha.
Govolazzo, we gotta open our Hot Wheels egg. Ooh, this is so cool. I've never seen one like this. What is inside?
It includes Draggy, I don't know what that is, sticker, memory game, and like 2D sticker. So similar to the Trolls. The Trolls egg, open it.
Let's see, what are we gonna get? My first ever Hot Wheels egg. I'm liking this. It's like a mystery. Woo!
Whoa, Bubble, it popped right off the table. Whoa, look what we got. We got like a race car, electric yellow wheels. It's blue. I likes it.
Ooh, this egg was filled. We got this little car, kind of cute. I don't know if it actually rolls, but I like the idea of it. Love those wheels.
That's why they call it Hot Wheels. Those are some hot yellow wheels. Love them. And look at this. Little memory game, but with cars, not with trolls. Likes it. Also got a Hot Wheels stunt team tattoo. Ooh, looks scary. Look at the skull.
And the final little goodie inside of this egg. Ooh, we got 4 jelly beans. In the trolls, we only got 2. We get 4, or maybe these are like gumballs. Try one.
Oh, I seriously like the Hot Wheels egg better because it gives 4 jelly beans, and the trolls only gave 2. Like, this is better. Grape jelly beans. Yummy.
Here's all our little surprises from the yellow putty. Ooh, I liked them. I love this little memory game. These are so bright. They're so cute. We get like a red car. Get a little green one. I like the yellow. We get this little baby, a little Hot Wheels tattoo, and Toy Story Loves a Bear. Moving along.
Bubble, your favorite color, pink, pinkity far putty. Oh yeah.
Still got 2 colors left. We got pink and orange. Ah, pink is my favorite. I'm hoping for something super special. Ooh, this one looks like bubblegum.
Oh yeah, but bubblegum doesn't sound like this. Ugh. Do it again. I think the pink has the biggest noise. Ugh. Start it up.
I'm not too sure what it is yet, but it looks pink. Ooh, what do we got here? Whoa.
Oh, is this a joke? This is unbelievable. Like, my sweet pony surprise egg is in an MLP? Or like, what is it?
Wow, this thing is so adorable. We got this little My Sweet Pony. Kind of looks like My Little Pony, but I don't know if it is. Definitely not Pinkie Pie, but super cute. See little candies. What else?
And another little pink surprise, a super squishy Barbie Fashem. Oh yeah, Barbie Fashem. Seriously, Bubble, these surprises couldn't get any cuter and like any pinker. Like, look at this. These are not My Little Ponies. Like, who is that? And that is not Rainbow Dash, but like, super adorbs. Open it.
Time to check out our first surprise, my sweet little pony egg. So cute. I don't know who this is supposed to be, but it's adorable. I can't even take it. Look at that.
Wow, looks like the pony's in like a balloon. It's amazing. Ooh, look at that cutie mark. Who is it?
So we got our pony here, a sweet little pony, and we got some candies. I don't know, they look like sweethearts or M&Ms. Try them. Ooh.
So good. Kind of like sweethearts, kind of like Smarties, like super sweet. Just like this one. Loves it.
And our next little pinkity surprise. Ooh, I love these. I've only opened one before, and I think I got this little one right here. Barbie Fashem.
Here goes. Hope you get a good one and a pink one. Let's see. Ooh. Oh yeah, she's pink.
Oh, she is so pretty. Look at this little Barbie. She's almost like a finger puppet. Squish your face. Got a pink dress, a little pink headband, and some brown hair. Beautiful.
Bubble, I have seriously never seen this Barbie or heard of her before, but she is beautiful. Like, she looks like she's going to a dance recital. And she's squishy. Even better. Based on the cutie mark, I've decided to name this pony Sunflower. She's got a sun and flowers.
Here's what the pink putty brought us. We got little candies, little Barbie squishy, and a pony. Let's do the final orange.
Here it is. It's orange. It actually matches the microwave. Cool. Ooh. Looks like a peach color. Cutie.
to say it's more of a peachy color than this bright orange, but I like it. It's pretty. Pop it in.
Oh yeah, poppity pop it in. Last one. Let's do this. Come on.
Uh-oh, what do we have? It's not orange. It's blue. Some Super Mario.
Well, like this doesn't make sense, Bubble. Like where's the orange? Where's the orange surprise? Like blue Super Mario and like Trolls. A little bit of orange. Cool.
We did it. Our microwave pulled through. We got our two final surprises, an egg and a trolley blind bag. Open this one first.
Well, it better be DJ Sook because like DJ Sookie tears orange. I'm going for her. Or Poppy. Whatever. Who's it gonna be?
What's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? No way. We got my favorite, Princess Poppy. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her.
I see your true colors, Bubble. Better shine like the rainbow. I wanted DJ Sookie, but we got Poppy. She's beautiful. It's good.
Out of a strange surprise, we got a little Trolls and the little Super Mario Brothers. Some sweets and surprises. We got Luigi, Mario on there. Check it out.
Bubble, I have a super huge crush on Luigi, but don't tell him.
See what our sweets and surprises are gonna be. Love these eggs today. Ooh.
Well, we got tons of stuff. Looks like a keychain with like the bad one, the bad Mario. He's got a W. Who is this guy? I likes it. Cool.
Ooh, that's a good one. Our first keychain of the day. So cute. You know, I haven't played this game in like a billion years. Who is that guy? If you know, leave me a comment. He looks super mad. And we got some how cute little star sweetie tarts. Got some candy.
Oh, the eggs said sweets and surprises. You get it, surprises and sweets. Candies. Super good.
These taste like little bubblegum, like sweet tarts. I like those. And a Luigi sticker. How cute. Gotta put that on my notebook.
You can actually give that Luigi sticker to me. Like, he's so handsome. Loves him. Oh, better give that Luigi sticker to like Poppy. She loves him. Such a cute couple. Oh yeah.
We got a lot of things from a little putty to lots of little surprises. These things were so cute. I think my favorite was probably this pony. I love that little Barbie and Poppy. Can't forget the purple poke ball.
Hey Bubble, I got an idea. I don't know if it's a good one, but like, let's try it. Let's put everything back in the microwave and see what happens. Let's try it. Let's do this. Stuff it all in. See what's gonna happen. So curious. Mr. Latza, hop in there. Little Poppy, get in there. Keychain and stickers, hop in, hop in, hop in.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Got all our surprises in there. Check it out.
Bubble, what have I done? We got a bunch of florp, but no toy surprises. Unbelievable. Guess I reversed the magic. Oops.
There it is. We turned all our toys back into putty. Oh well, we got some squishy. And we are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. If you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.